Hey guys, so we are at Walmart right now and we're kind of just browsing around seeing what they have, and we found this rug right here. We found this rug and it's 7.5 by 10 and it's like a black fuzzy and it's only $50, so I think we're gonna get that. You want to scan this? Here. So we found a few things that they didn't have at Target. So let me show you guys real quick what we found so far. So we found these LED light strips and it's only $10. It's 6.5 feet. So we want to put it behind the TV and it comes with a little remote control. We're also getting this double-sided tape just to tape a cable to the wall. We are getting this 2-pack of kitchen towels. I'm also getting these microfiber cloths. It's an 18-pack and it's only $4. They don't have any of this at Target, so I think this is a pretty good deal. We're also just getting these sanitizing wipes for our phones. We might get this blanket just to have on the couch. I'm still kind of thinking about it. It's an oversized Sherpa throw and I think it's like $14. But it's just really soft. So I don't know. I'm still thinking about this. Then I found this little jar to put Q-tips in for the bathroom. And I found this too for the bathroom. This one's 12, the other one's 10. I'm also just getting 2 black towels. They're the performance bath towels and they're like $3. So I'm just getting 2 of those. And then Jay is getting this kit. I don't know much about this, but he's getting that. And then, like I was saying, we found this rug. My original idea was to get a gray rug, like a light gray rug, because our couch is dark gray. But this is $50 and it's soft and it's big too. So I think we're gonna get it and we're just gonna see how it looks. I think it'll make it look very modern, because I also got a marble coffee table, so I think that will look nice over the black rug. So we're gonna get it. If we happen to really not like it or hate it or something, we can just return it. But yeah, we're gonna get it for now. It's only $50. All the rugs that I keep looking at are over $100. So I don't know. We'll see how it looks. I'll show you guys. We just got home from Walmart and Jay's gonna put the rug and we'll see how it looks. And then I'm gonna cook, or not cook, but put pizza in the oven. But I'll show you guys right now what else we got from Walmart. I just got like some cleaning supplies. But yeah, let me show you guys Jay putting the rug. this is what the rug ended up looking like. What do you think, babe? What do you guys think? Let me know. Well, it's kind of dark right now. I'll show you guys tomorrow morning how it looks. Yeah? I'll show you guys tomorrow morning, but let me show you what else we ended up buying. So I just got these disinfecting wipes. Then we got these flushable wipes. It says dude wipes, so I think they're made for men, but we still got them. We're gonna try them out. Then I just got like a brush to clean the bathtub. And then I got this one. I still don't know what specifically I'm gonna use it for, but I know I'm gonna need it. And then we got Lysol. They had so much in stock, but they only let one per person, so I only got one. Just got ranch for Jay. And I think that's it. I showed you guys everything else, and then I just got this one for the kitchen, and I'm just gonna put wooden spoons in it. But yeah, everything else I showed you guys, and then right now I'm just baking. I'm just baking a pizza with some wings. We leave tomorrow morning back to LA to go pick up our bigger stuff with the U-Haul, and then my parents are gonna come back here with us, so they'll get to see our apartment. They'll be the first ones to see it in person. I'm just gonna, before tonight, I'm gonna try and clean everything, even though it's pretty much still clean, but I'm gonna, I need to vacuum, so I'm gonna vacuum everything, and then I might clean the bathtub, just because when they gave it to us, it wasn't dirty, but it could be cleaner. So I might clean that if I have time, because I feel like I have so much other stuff to do, like just put away all the Walmart stuff, and we're still gonna eat, and we have to clear our dining table. I don't know if I've showed it to you guys yet. I know I showed you guys us building it, but this is what it currently looks like. It has Jay's computer on it. But he's gonna put that in his room because we'll be bringing his desk on Saturday. But yeah, this is currently what the table looks like. So I'm gonna try and clear all this stuff up. We're gonna take care of this cable right here. That's why we bought the double-sided tape, just because we don't wanna nail it with the little clips. And then I forgot to tell you guys, but we ended up getting different chairs. So these are the ones we have now. The other ones I had shown you guys were metal chairs from Target. And these are from Target too, but we were in one of the Targets one day looking for a chair actually. We were looking for 2 more chairs, but we ended up seeing these, and one of them had a $39.99 clearance sticker on it when they're originally $80. I think they're the Threshold brand. But they were in the where they have the Magnolia stuff. They were like displayed there, and one of them had a clearance tag, and then the other one had a tag, but it didn't have the clearance sticker on it. And then the third one didn't have a tag at all. So Jay went to go scan it under their price scanner, because I scanned it with the app and it would come up regular price, $80. So then when Jay scanned it in the price scan, it came up as $39.99. So we decided to take all 3 chairs that they had there. They didn't have a 4th one, but we ended up taking all 3, and then later that same day at night, we ended up returning the 2 metal chairs that we had, and we ended up getting the 4th chair, which was crazy because the chair didn't have a tag. So I took the tag with me, the one from the other store with the clearance sticker on it. When we went to self-checkout, I just scanned that tag because it's the same chair, you know? But it ended up coming as up as $23 instead of the $39.99. So it even came up cheaper in that store, which didn't make sense because it was literally the same day. So I don't know if just different stores have different prices for the sell stuff. But yeah, so we ended up getting all 4 chairs for like $143. Which is crazy because my original plan was to get wooden chairs from IKEA, and it was gonna end up being like $300 for 4 wooden chairs. And then when we found the metal ones, it was gonna end up being like $200. But at the end, we ended up spending $140 on the 4 chairs. And I think they're cute, and that's what I originally wanted. I wanted wooden black chairs. So it's cool that it ended up working out. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and then I'll probably show you guys the whole process of us putting all our big furniture on the U-Haul. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys are enjoying these vlogs, so I can keep doing them. But yeah, let me get to cleaning. We also ended up getting this from Walmart. It's a tool set. So it comes with a bunch of stuff. How much was it?
$20.
Oh shoot, it was only $20, and it comes with so much stuff. So if you guys are moving into like your first apartment, this is a cool kit to have, just because it has everything you might need. And then and then yesterday in Target, we bought this first aid kit, and it comes with 140 items. So it comes with a bunch of different Band-Aids, Benadryl, Tylenol, Neosporin, wipes, and gauze, and a bunch of other stuff. So I just have that under the sink. And then we did get other small things, like I just got like plastic plates from Target, but I guess I'll show you guys all this stuff like later on, because I even got this cute paper towel holder. It's just like gold. It was literally $10. And then I got this little plant too from like the $3 section at Target. So it's all coming along. I'll keep showing you guys maybe next week all the other little stuff that we bought in, and I'll show you guys where I put it, because I also got some stuff for the bathroom, so I'll show you guys that later. We're doing a little DIY. I showed you guys that we have this really long cable from the modem.
Yeah.
So
For the modem.
Yeah, we wanted to like align it because it's coming from the back of the TV, and it's going into this bedroom right here. So show the tape. Our DIY is that we're using this double-sided tape. It's the T-Rex super glue tape. Yeah, so we're literally, I don't know if you guys can see, but we're doing little pieces. So there's a little piece right there, and then did I already remove it? Oh no. And then so first you stick the tape, and then you go and peel the other side. And so then the now it's like double-sided. So then you just go in with the cable. And you basically like just stick it. And it's been holding so far. So.
Show the progress.
Yeah. So far, this is how it's looking. It's literally blending in with the wall. Let me show you guys how it looks over here. So it's all against the baseboard, and it looks pretty good. And then that's where it starts over there. But yeah, if you guys have a cable that you're trying to hide, I recommend this little DIY.